Hey, to set up the face unlock on the Nothing Phone 2a, all you have to do is just to swipe up, go into the settings, and now you have to scroll down, move into the security and the privacy, and now scroll down one more time, move into the device unlock and select face unlock. Now we have to input your current screen lock methods, so there's like PIN, pattern or password. As you can see, in my case it was the pattern. Now as you can see, the face data will be only stored locally on this device, and we can remove it anytime in the settings. So now we can click setup, and now all we have to do is just to hold our face in the circle. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I have to keep my face inside and just wait until it will be fully scanned. And now my face was added, and now I can click down and let's see if it actually works. So now I'm gonna lock phone and try to unlock it. There we go. As you can see, it was actually unlocked, so I can swipe up to open my phone. And as you can see, we get actually some additional options right here. So we can skip swipe to unlock, and also we can unlock with mask. So now if I enable this skip swipe, I'm looking at the phone and I'm unlocking it. There we go. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.